In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method on Meta Business Suite. If you've ever added a card or another payment option to your Meta Business Suite for ads and now want to clean things up, maybe for security reasons or just to stay organized, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do step by step. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by going to the business section of Facebook or by using the direct Meta Business Suite link if you have it bookmarked. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that manages the business you want to work on. If you have multiple business accounts, double check that you've selected the right one at the top of the page so you don't accidentally change settings for the wrong business. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Billing and Payments. Click on that. This is where Meta keeps all your financial settings, including invoices, transaction history, and of course, your payment methods. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of activity on the account, so just give it a second if the page feels a bit slow. After the billing section opens, stay on the left-hand side and look for payment methods. Click on Payment Methods to open a page that lists all the cards, bank accounts, or other methods you've added to this business account. Here you'll see each payment method displayed, along with some basic details like the type of card and the last few digits, so you can easily identify which one you want to remove. Find the specific payment method you want to remove from the list. On the right-hand side of that payment methods row, you should see a small icon with 3 dots. This is the options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with actions you can take for that payment method. In the drop-down that appears, click on Remove. Meta may show you a confirmation message, especially if this payment method is currently set as your primary option or if it's attached to active campaigns. If that happens, you might need to set a different primary payment method first or pause any active ads that rely on it. Once you confirm, the payment method will be removed from your Meta Business Suite billing settings, and it will no longer be used for future charges